Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Demco Recon manual slide fifth wheel trailer hitch. This is a fifth wheel hitch that's going to mount into your short bed Ram 2500 and 3500 so you can tow your fifth wheel trailer. This is going to have the manual slide on it, so oftentimes with your shorter bed pickup trucks, it's hard to tow your fifth wheel trailer because if you get into a tight spot where you need to make a tight turn, you have limited clearance there before you have contact between your trailer and your cab. So having a slider like this is going to give you more clearance so you can make those slow, tight turns. And the way this works, once you find yourself in that situation, you'll get out of your truck. We've got the handle here that will allow us to pull it out of the locked mode, put it into the slider mode, and then this will move back towards your tailgate up to 14 inches. So you can make that tighter turn, have that clearance that you need, and then when you get everything straightened back out, you can simply get back out of your truck again, move it into the locked position, and that's going to put the weight of your trailer exactly where it needs to be above your axle so that you can travel safely at your highway speeds again and that sort of thing. Now, when you're looking at systems like this, you have your manual setup, or you also have auto slides. So those are going to save you the hassle of having to get out of your truck, put it into your sliding position, and then put it back in when you're done. Those are going to be a lot more convenient for you, but they're also a lot more expensive. So if it doesn't quite fit in your price range, this is going to give you that same functionality, but it is going to require a little bit more effort for you. This model specifically is made here in the USA of a very sturdy steel construction, so it is going to hold up really well for you. It's got a black powder coat finish to help resist rust and corrosion. That steel construction is going to give us the 21,000 pound gross towing weight. It also has a vertical load limit of 5,250 pounds. So keep that in mind, make sure that it's going to work for your trailer and setup. And this is designed specifically for your 2013 and newer Ram 2500 and 3500 with the factory or OEM prep package. Now, I've got these side rails loosely installed here. That's why they're kind of hanging down. Obviously, you'll want to tighten these bolts before you get it installed. But what this is going to do for you, it's going to allow you to use that factory prep package. So you'll just open up these feet here to the open position. That will allow you to simply set this down into your factory pucks, and then you'll slide that arm back in place and put your pin on to lock it in place, and that's going to give you that solid connection to your factory puck system. So you've already got that installed on your Ram. This will allow you to take advantage of it and have that nice solid connection. Our head here does have the wraparound single piece jaw that's going to provide that nice secure connection between the hitch and your kingpin on your trailer. Having that 360 degree contact between your jaw and the kingpin is going to create less rattling and more security than your slide bar jaws. We'll open it up here so you can kind of see how this operates. So we've got it in the open locked position. So you'll put it in that position, then you'll start backing up your truck to your trailer. I've got a screwdriver here to kind of simulate your kingpin on your trailer. So that's going to slide in place, make contact with this back plate here, and that will allow it to close. When we have it closed there, you can see we've got that 3/4 inch thick solid steel locking bar that's going to reinforce your connection with your coupled trailer. It's going to automatically lock in place when the jaw closes, give you that extra reassurance that it's not going to go anywhere. We're operating that with the spring-loaded handle here with the comfort grip. It's going to allow you to very simply get coupled up. This also has the tethered safety pin, so you can lock the arm in the open or closed position, and it's tethered, so make sure you don't lose it. This system does use a double pivot hitch head, so that's going to help ease your hookup and help to limit chucking while you're traveling. It will pivot front and back as well as side to side. If I can turn this a little bit to the side, you can see that inside here we do have those cushioning polyurethane dampeners that help to reduce your noise and absorb road shock to give you a nice smooth ride. Moving our way down, we've got our pin down here that's going to pass through one of 3 different height adjustment holes. You have those 3 different height settings to accommodate your setup. Make sure that your trailer is going to clear your side bed rails. So at our tallest setting, we're sitting at about 20 7/8 of an inch. Down at the middle setting, we're about 19 5/8 of an inch. And then at the lowest setting, it's about 18 3/8 of an inch. So again, make sure that it's going to work for your setup. So overall, I think this is going to be a great way to go. Like I said, if the auto slide is just simply too expensive for you, this is still going to give you that functionality so that you can make those tight turns, and it's going to take advantage of your Ram's OEM prep package to make that connection very simple for you. And that completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.